Welcome back to Idant IIT Academy. In the previous lecture, we discussed different type of ions, anions, cations, monovalent, divalent, trivalent. I already told you everyone should practice the ions and formulas, charges on ions. In this class, we are going to discuss how to write a chemical formula. For doing this, we should know the formulas of ions. Without knowing formulas of ions, we can't do. Okay, now that's why in the last class I told you everyone should practice all important ions, anions and cations. Hope all you studied well and ready to learn chemical formula. See how to write chemical formula. First, suppose I want to write chemical formula of barium chloride. I want to write chemical formula of barium chloride. So in this one, barium, first you write symbol Ba, chloride Cl. Okay, now what is the charge on barium? We know beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium all are having +2 charge. They are divalent cations. +2. Chloride ion charge -1. Now crisscross method. What is the method? Crisscross method. Okay, now crisscross method. See in this one, now crisscross method, cross like this. See Ba. Now leave it the charge. Here you can take the number Ba 1 Cl 2. You should write the numbers as subscript like this. BaCl2. So if it is 1, then no need to write. So BaCl2. This is the formula of barium chloride. Okay, now one more example. I want to write sodium nitrate. Okay, now first you write symbols Na, sodium, nitrate, NO3. Okay, see NO3. What is the charge on sodium? +1, we know, +1. What is the charge on nitrate? NO3 -1. NO3 -1. Now crisscross method. How many Na? 1. How many NO3? 1. NO3. Okay, now so bracket. If it is a compound ion, then you write as bracket like this. Okay, now so 1, then no need to write 1. So Na is simply write like this, NaNO3. This is the formula of sodium nitrate. Now how we can write a formula? First you write the symbols. First write cation and then write anion. So these are the charge on cation. This is the charge on anion. Crisscross method, cross. Ba1 barium, 2 chlorines, Cl2. So BaCl2. This is the formula of barium chloride. So for writing chemical formula, we should know the ions formula first, then only we can write. If we don't know the formula of ion, then we can't do. Okay, now that's why I told you everyone should read all ions carefully. Okay, some more example. Potassium sulfate. Potassium K, sulfate SO4 2 minus, charge on potassium plus 1, sulfate minus 2 charge. Now crisscross method. How many potassium? 2, K2. So this is a like this, SO4 1. So you can write like this also, K2SO4. This is the formula of potassium sulfate. If it is 1, then no need to write K2SO4. Okay, next, aluminium sulfate. Aluminium charge on aluminium Al, sulfate SO4, charge on aluminium plus 3. This is a trivalent cation, sulfate minus 2. Now crisscross. Tell me, Al2 aluminium. Okay, leave it these charges now. Al2, this is SO4 3 times. So Al2 SO4 thrice. This is the formula of what? Aluminium sulfate. Okay now, so aluminium charge plus 3, sulfate charge minus 2, crisscross method, Al2 2 times and SO4 you write in the brackets as SO4 is a compound ion. Compound ion means if more than one atom there is present, then compound ion. So 3 atom 3 times, SO4 3 times, Al2 SO4 thrice. Okay, one more example, potassium permanganate. You know potassium permanganate. Permanganate ion we know. Permanganate. What is permanganate ion formula? MnO4 minus potassium K plus crisscross method. Then K, if it is 1, then no need to write 1 KMnO4. This is the formula of potassium permanganate. Okay, potassium manganate. Manganate ion, you know what is manganate ion? MnO4 2 minus manganate ion. MnO4 2 minus, that's why K MnO4 K plus 1 MnO4 minus 2. Then what is the formula? Tell me. K2 MnO4. K2 2 times. This is 2 times, MnO4 1 time. So if it is 1, then no need to write. So K2 MnO4. This is potassium manganate. This is potassium permanganate. KMnO4 potassium permanganate. K2 MnO4 potassium manganate. Okay, no? Next one, sodium sulfide. You know sulfide ion. What is sulfide ion? S2 minus is sulfide ion. S2 minus. Okay, now sodium Na plus 1 charge, sulfide minus 2. Then tell me. Yes, you got it. Na2S. Only one sulfur. Na2S. This is the formula of what? Sodium sulfide. Okay, now next, calcium phosphide. You know phosphide ion formula? P3 minus. What is the phosphide ion formula? P P3 minus. So calcium phosphide, calcium Ca, phosphide P, calcium plus 2 charge. This is a divalent cation, plus 2, phosphide minus 3. Then tell me, Ca3 formula what? Ca3 P2. This is calcium phosphide. Okay now, next one, copper sulfate. Copper charge on copper plus 2, sulfate minus 2. Okay now, then what is the formula? Cu2SO4 2 times. Cu2SO4 2 times. For both will cancel by 2. So you can write simplest ratio. While writing formula, you can write simplest ratio. Simplest ratio means 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. What is the simplest ratio? CuSO4 cancel by 2. Both these cancel by 2. This one, not this one, because this is belongs to SO4. So this is 2:2. What is the simplest ratio? 1:1. So 1 1 Cu1 SO4 1. So CuSO4. So this is the formula of copper sulfate. Okay now, next one, ferrous sulfate. Ferrous, charge on Fe in ferrous plus 2, in ferric plus 3. Ferrous ferric, variable valency, more than one valency. Fe plus 2, Fe plus 3. Fe plus 2 ferrous, Fe plus 3 ferric. Ferrous plus 2 sulfate minus 2. Tell me, Fe2SO4 2 times. So 2 cancel by 1, 1:1. So then formula FeSO4. Actually Fe2SO4 twice, same as above. Fe2SO4 twice. So simplest ratio 1:1. So FeSO4, ferrous sulfate. Okay now, next one, sodium ferric chloride. Sodium chromate. You know the formula of chromate? CrO4 2 minus. This is the formula of chromate. CrO4 2 minus. Sodium Na, charge plus 1. Chromate CrO4 2 minus. Chromate. Formula Na 2 times, CrO4 1 time. CrO4. So Na2 CrO4. Sodium chromate, because chromate ion formula CrO4 2 minus. Chromate. Next one, potassium dichromate. Potassium K. Dichromate formula, Cr2O7 2 minus. Potassium K plus. Dichromate formula Cr2O7 2 minus. Cr2O7. So potassium K, Cr2O7. Here charge plus 1, potassium. Dichromate minus 2. Dichromate ion. Chromate ion CrO4 2 minus. Dichromate ion Cr2O7 2 minus. Okay. Now then formula K2 Cr2O7. That is the formula of what? Potassium dichromate. K2Cr2O7. Potassium chromate formula K2CrO4. Chromate ion CrO4 2 minus. Dichromate Cr2O7 2 minus. Got it? Next one. Some more examples. Ferric chloride. Ferric means Fe charge plus 3 na? Ferric plus 2 ferrous, Fe plus 3 ferric. Ferric chloride charge minus 1. Then Fe 1 time, Cl 3 times. FeCl3. Fe 1 time, Cl 3 times. Okay na? So FeCl3. This is ferric chloride. Next, magnesium nitride. Magnesium nitride. Nitride. You know nitride ion formula? N3 minus. Trivalent anion. Nitride. Okay. Now magnesium nitride. See, magnesium charge plus 2. Magnesium charge plus 2. Mg2 plus divalent nitride charge minus 3. And then formula Mg 3 times. Nitrogen 2 times. Mg 3 times, nitrogen 2 times. Mg3N2. This is the formula of what? Magnesium nitride. Mg3N2. For suppose if you want to write aluminum nitride, aluminum nitride. Aluminum nitride. Aluminum nitride formula. Aluminum, you know, charge on aluminum plus 3, nitride minus 3. 3:3. Simplest ratio 1:1. Then formula Al3N3, and also write you can Aln, because 3 cancel. Okay na? Aln. So this is the formula of what? Aluminum nitride. Okay na? Next one, sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. You know carbonate ion formula? CO3 2 minus. CO3 2 minus. Carbonate sodium Na plus 1, carbonate CO3 minus 2, then Na2 CO3. Na2. Okay, so formula Na2 CO3. This is the formula of what? Sodium carbonate. Na2 times CO3 one time. Na2 CO3. Got it? Next one, calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. Calcium plus 2, carbonate CO3 2 minus, calcium plus 2, carbonate minus 2, then crisscross. Ca 2 times, CO3 2 times, CO3 again, simplest ratio CaCO3. CaCO3. Calcium carbonate. This is the formula of calcium carbonate. Okay na? Next, ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate. You know ammonium ion formula? NaH4 plus. Sulfate formula SO4 2 minus, then NaH4, SO4, NaH4 plus 1, SO4 minus 2, then NaH4 2 times, SO4 1 time. NaH4 2 times, NaH4 2 times, SO4 1 time. NaH4 twice, SO4. This is ammonium sulfate formula. Ammonium sulfate. Ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride formula. Ammonium chloride. Ammonium NaH4 plus 1 and chloride Cl minus 1. So then simplest formula what? NaH4Cl. NaH4Cl. Okay na? See. So in this way we are going to write different formulas. Hope you understood. And in the ions I forgot, that is oxide ion. Oxide O2 minus. Remember O2 minus. Peroxide O2 2 minus. Peroxide O2 2 minus. Superoxide O2 minus. So these are three different: oxide O2 minus, peroxide O2 2 minus, superoxide O2 minus. For example, I want to write sodium peroxide. Sodium Sodium we know Na plus, peroxide ion O2 2 minus, then write like this: Na plus 1, charge plus 1, O2 charge minus 2, O2 2 minus, then Na2 O2. Na2O2. Don't write again NaO. Why don't write? So this 2 belongs to this oxygen, not subscript. This 2 is not subscript of O2. Okay na? So don't write NaO. Na2O2. Okay na? So this is from ion. Okay na? Not subscript. That's why don't cancel. Na2O2, sodium peroxide. Okay na? Next, barium peroxide. Now see, barium peroxide. Now barium, Ba2 plus we know. Peroxide, O2 minus, barium plus 2. O2 2 minus. Now see Ba 2 times and O2 2 times. Now you can cancel. Now understood why here not cancel, why here cancel? So now BaO2, barium peroxide. Okay now? So here 2 is in subscript. Got it? Subscript like this. Okay now? Cancel. But here don't cancel. Okay na? Barium peroxide. Next one, potassium superoxide. If you want to write potassium superoxide. Potassium K plus 1. Superoxide what? O2 minus 1. Superoxide. Crisscross. Then K 1 time, O2 1 time. So KO2. This is potassium superoxide. Okay na? First, suppose if you want to write sodium oxide, sodium Na plus 1, oxide O minus 2, then Na 2 times, O 1 time, Na2. This is sodium oxide. Magnesium oxide, Mg plus 2, oxide O minus 2. Now here 2 cancel or not? Yes, cancel. That's why MgO. Got it? So these are the some examples. Hope you understood. So we can practice some more examples already given in the material. Okay na? So in the next class we will discuss some more examples. Okay na? Thank you.